Hi guys, so we'll have 7-Eleven run lang guys. So guys, ito yung iniinom namin, yung vitamin C because of the nasabi nilang influenza yan. So yan, iniinom namin yan lang. Guys, this is my favorite. This is my favorite here. Kukuha ko dalawa. Lagi ko itong binabaon. This is my favorite. Let's try this salty snack. I've tried this guys. Okay lang siya. Pero not very okay. I mean, not very up to my standard chips. Okay lang. I also tried this. This is just okay too. Guys, ubos na dito yung parang cheesecake nila. Wala na siya dito. Pero sabi ni husband, sobrang sarap na cheesecake yun. Parang as in real cheesecake and sobrang sarap. Fortunately, wala na eh. Look guys, kung gusto nyong bumili ng cake, pero ayaw nyo ng whole cake, this one is nice. Na-post ko na ito dati, pero I will just say it again that if you see this in Japan, this is the juices. So guys, kapag ka real fruits, nakikita nyo yung fruits, it's 100% from real fruits. So yan, lahat yan real. No like flavorings, ganyan. Real fruits talaga. Katulad na. Last time na nag-Kyoto kami, yung grapes nito, lagi akong bumibili. Sobrang sarap, guys. Parang, oh my gosh, sobrang sarap. Pero available lang sa kanila is yung apple and yung orange juice nila. And also the grape one. But I like the purple one. So guys, ito yung mga ibang products nila sa 7-Eleven. So, hindi ka talaga magugutom here. Ito din guys, yung mga meals nila. They have, ito, barley bowl with beef and egg. Ayan. So, very nice. I mean, very convenient talaga siya. If you don't na-miss nyo na kumain sa, ito guys, so, very nice. Guys, bumili din ako nito. This is the ice cream nila. So, sarap nito. You guys buy. This is just around 268 yen.